What if an employee gets sick from the mandatory vaccine? My name is Tanya Sambi and I'm with Minken Employment Lawyers. The short answer is, the employer may be liable if they made it a requirement for the employee to get vaccinated. Typically, if a company is insured under the Workplace Safety and Insurance Act, then the company can rely on the Workplace Safety and Insurance Board to pay for any injuries sustained by the employee. However, the WSIB only provides coverage for no-fault injuries, meaning injuries sustained that were not the fault of the employer. So, if the employer made it a requirement for the employee to get vaccinated, they may not be able to rely on the WSIB to pay, since the injury would not be considered a no-fault injury. This would mean that the employer may be liable for civil damages, for example, for negligence. Now, it's possible that because there are bigger players to go after, being the pharmaceutical companies who created the vaccines or the government who authorized the distribution of the vaccines in Canada, the employee may not sue the employer directly and may instead go after the pharmaceutical companies or the government. But employers should still keep this in mind if they are considering making it a requirement for their employees to be vaccinated. Tune in next time where we will discuss what if an employee refuses the vaccine because of a personal preference. Thanks so much for tuning into Minken Employment Lawyers.